Hi, I'm Matt from Wex Photographic and I'm with David Parry from Canon UK, and he's going to talk to us about the brand new Canon EOS 750D and 760D. David?
Okay, yes, so we've got two cameras here. So as you see, it's 750 and the 760. Now, it's the first time we've ever sort of launched two cameras side by side like this, which are essentially quite similar. Now, first of all, I'll go through the similarities on them and then we'll talk about the differences and why we've actually done this. So first of all, they've both got our brand new 24 million pixel sensor inside them. So this is the highest resolution sensor we have on an APS-C size sensor camera. The great thing about this new sensor is that it gives you a new autofocus system as well, which is hybrid CMOS AF3, which is a really fast autofocus when you're shooting live view or when you're shooting movies. It's about 4.1 times faster than what we have in our 100D, so it's our fastest autofocus system at this level. They both run at 5 frames a second, so they're nice and quick if you want to experiment with doing action or sports photography as well as doing the landscape work and that kind of thing. They both have a 3-inch variable angle screen on the back here. This is our touch screen as well, so it's a lovely screen to actually use, and also you can flip it around if you want to protect the screen when you're walking about with the camera. Now, the differences that you'll see on these two here really is this one, which is the 760, has a slightly more advanced layout. It has a screen on the top here, it has a control wheel on the back here as well, and also it has a lock on the mode dial. Whereas you can see this one, you can rotate there. That one you have to push the button in and rotate it. Now, what we've done with this is we feel that this one, maybe for that slightly more advanced user, maybe if you've already got an EOS like a 400 or 450 or something like that, you're looking to step up to a new EOS, but don't want to go up to the size and weight of something like a 70D or a 5D Mark III for that, or a 7D Mark II or something for that matter. This will actually give you some added functions, which means you'll be able to work quicker. The really nice thing about having this wheel on the back is you can set the camera up to do your aperture on here, your shutter speed on here, and very quickly you can use the camera manually. This may also be suitable if you have a 70D at the moment, or maybe you have a 7D Mark II at the moment and you're looking for a second body. This might be a really nice camera to use because it handles and works in the same way as your as the 70D or the 7D as well. So this is quite a nice camera to step onto. They're both very simple to use. They both have the fully automatic mode. So when you first get the camera, you can put it on fully automatic and let the camera do everything for you. And you can concentrate on your composition and making sure that you're getting the kind of images that you want. Then as you feel more comfortable with the camera, you can make your way around the dial and learn about shutter speed, apertures, ISOs, and then onto fully manual on these as well. So they're great cameras that you can really grow with as time goes on.
And what kind of movie functionality do they both offer?
Well, they both offer full HD movie. What's nice about the flip-out screen again is that when you're shooting movie, you can hold the camera nice and comfortable and be able to look at the screen there and actually communicate with your subjects, get some really nice movies. As I said, it's got the very fast autofocus system when you're shooting movies, which will really help if you've got like kids running about or something like that you need to photograph and keep in focus. And also, because they're touchscreen, you can use the screen to actually touch on your subject. So I want to focus there, the camera will lock on and then track your subject as it moves around. So a very fast way to actually work with movie. Something else these have got actually, which is the first time we've had it at this level, is actually Wi-Fi. So both of these cameras have got Wi-Fi. You can control them remotely, you can send images to your smartphone or your smart device. But also these have got NFC as well. This is the first time we've ever had NFC on here, so you can launch the app that we have literally by touching your smart device to the bottom of the camera, and it will connect up and you can start shooting remotely or transferring your images.
And the focusing system on the two, it's a 19-point cross-type system, is that right?
That's right, it's actually the same AF system we have in the 70D.
Okay.
So yeah, as you said, it's 19-point and they're all cross-type. It's great to have an autofocus system of that sort of sophistication at this level. It will really help you to experiment with wildlife photography or sports photography and that kind of thing.
Excellent. Great. Thank you, Dave. For more information on the Canon EOS 750D and 760D, head over to wexphotographic.com.